Setting your pace. All right, you guys, everybody's journey within LifeVantage is going to be different and unique, and we want you to be aware of what it is and own it. For some of you, we're talking about walking. Some of you, it's running. Some of you, it's going to be flying. So really understanding the differences between these and knowing up front where you start.
Right, and just feeling really, really good about it and just putting in the daily method of operation. Action, 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 right? So if you're going to walk, you're going to do something a little bit different than if you're going to run. And you're going to do something different if you want to fly right through this. So going back to, when you were talking about the earnings disclosure statement, going back to your why, all of these things lead to this moment of deciding, are you going to walk, run, or fly? And please know, every single person matters exactly the same. If they're walking, if they're running, if they're flying, we love you and embrace that moment. And I will tell you too, it may change. When we got in, we were the walkers. We thought we were going to be the walkers, share here and there, but we got really, really passionate and it turned into the run, and then it quickly turned into the fly, right? So just understand and again, trust that system. It works.
Yeah, and just have grace with yourself that it is okay with wherever you start, and it is okay to allow it to change and morph as you go on. Absolutely. Life happens. We're all human, so sometimes you might go from fly to walk because you need to be where you need to be, and that's really why we all do this, is so we can be where we need to be when we need to be there, and have the team to support you when that chapter comes up.
Yes, I love that you mentioned grace with yourself, because sometimes we can be really hard on ourselves because we want something so bad, right? But this is a communication, this is a family, and so whenever you're going through this journey, communicate with the team, with the family, where you're at, any of the struggles that you have, any of the exciting moments that you have, and where you truly want to go. The more that we know where you want to go, the better that we can help you.
So go through the exercise, find out if you're going to walk, if you're going to run, if you're going to fly. Be okay with that decision, and let us know where you are.
Yes.